China just made a move that should terrify every robotics company in the West. A Chinese humanoid robot, A2, built by Shanghai-based Agibot, just set a Guinness World Record by walking 106 kilometers non-stop without shutting down. That's not just impressive. That's a game changer for the entire robotics industry. Let me put this in perspective. The robot walked from Suzhou to Shanghai over 3 days, covering 106 kilometers while remaining active the entire time. No shutdown, no battery swap, just continuous operation. This is the kind of endurance that separates toys from production-ready machines. Here's what makes this even more significant. The A2 didn't just walk on a flat track. It navigated real-world conditions. It dealt with traffic lights, narrow passages, crowded sidewalks, asphalt roads, tiled walkways, bridges, tactile paving, and ramps. It followed traffic rules. It maintained a stable perception during both day and night, using dual GPS modules, LiDAR, and infrared depth sensors. This is not a controlled lab experiment. This is a robot operating in the real world. The technology behind this is what's really impressive. Agibot developed a rapid hot swap battery system that kept the A2 powered throughout the entire journey. In a comment response on their YouTube channel, Agibot said, "Actually, this Guinness World Record does recognize the Agibot A2's 106-kilometer journey as the first humanoid robot interprovincial walk. And crucially, the challenge required continuous operation, no shutdown, across complex real-world scenarios, urban roads, ramps, day-night cycles, with standard commercial battery swaps, no custom modifications. Most humanoid robots can't sustain long-distance movement in unstructured environments. That's where this achievement stands out. The robot's cerebellar balance algorithms are so advanced that it could handle complex, unpredictable environments without falling or losing stability. This is the kind of hardware maturity that companies like Boston Dynamics have been working toward for years. Before we continue, I would like to hear your thoughts. Is China winning the robotics race, or do you think Western companies still have the edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in AI and robotics, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next breakthrough. Wang Chuang, Senior Vice President of Agibot, said it perfectly. Walking from Suzhou to Shanghai is a tough task even for many humans, but the robot achieved it. It proves the maturity of the robot's hardware, cerebellar balance algorithms, and endurance, laying a solid foundation for large-scale commercial deployment. That last part is crucial. Large-scale commercial deployment. This is not a prototype anymore. This is a robot that's ready to work in the real world at scale. Imagine delivery robots that can walk 100 kilometers without stopping. Imagine warehouse robots that can operate for days without maintenance, security robots that can patrol entire cities without human intervention. That's what this record represents. And here's the geopolitical angle that should concern Western tech companies. China is investing heavily in robotics. They're not just building robots for research. They're building robots for commerce, for logistics, for manufacturing. They're building robots that work in the real world, not in controlled environments. And they're doing it faster and cheaper than Western companies. For comparison, back in April, Beijing's Tiancong Ultra completed a 21-kilometer half marathon in 2 hours 40 minutes. That was impressive. But the A2 just walked 106 kilometers. That's 5 times the distance. The gap between Chinese and Western robotics is closing fast, and it might already be closed. The A2 is available now. You can check out Agibot's website to see the specs and features. But the real story here is what this means for the future. China is winning the robotics race, and the West needs to wake up to that reality. If this video opened your eyes to what's happening in robotics, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this with someone who needs to understand the geopolitical implications of AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.